What's going on, everybody? Today it's a Saturday, we're on our way out to a job. I set up scaffolding yesterday, so we're doing some window sills on a very old house, you know, about early 1900s. Sorry about the exhaust noise here. Yeah, early 1900s. It's got the wooden sills, so we got to pull the wooden sills out and lay some limestone sills. So yeah, we're just on our way out there. Everything's prepped. We're basically just gonna walk in, start pulling things apart, and we'll get the sills laid. Okay, so here's where we're at. We gotta replace that windowsill and that windowsill to match that one and that one. I finished those ones at the end of the year last year, so we're gonna go up and start pulling the old one out. So we're working with wooden sills here that we're taking out. So I gotta take out this row of brick all the way across, rip the flashing off, cut the caulking, and yeah, we'll go from there. A little bit of fighting with it, but it's not too bad. Okay, now that we got that off, we'll have to get a little more of the caulking out here, but basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna hammer this up to give, like, these are all loose already, the mortar's falling apart. So what we're gonna do is hammer the sill up and then take out each brick here, clean up the mortar, and then start pushing the sill back down because it's nailed, it's nailed in the back. So like up through the back and the side, whatever. So you gotta kind of work it up and down and wiggle it back as you go. So that's what we're gonna work on now. Okay, so see how we got this one out? I just chipped the mortar out on both sides of it and then just slowly pry from one side to the other until you can pull the brick out. And now the rest of them will be nice and easy. I mean, they're all loose already. You know, I don't want to break it. Can't really show you right now. And I don't want to set the phone up on the scaffold because I probably will knock it over. So yeah, I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. So this is what we got here. Took out the next course too, so I have room to get the pry bar up here, and we're just gonna keep on working this until it comes out. Okay, and it was that easy. That took all of like 2 minutes. So you just wiggle it up and down till you can get a pry bar behind it and give it one little shot, and there you go. I'll have to put this down to take it out, but there you go. It's a little windy, so it might be kind of bad quality, but we'll go up 41 inches. And what I like to do is always cut from the front of the sill so that your face is square, just in case you're off a little bit. Okay, so we had one brick that broke, and we're gonna match that to this. So put this down. About 1.75 inches. of stepped on the leg of the camera stand and broke it, so there's no more camera stand. What we're gonna do is mix up some Type S, and I like to use an electric mixer simply because I don't like using gas, and like this is just cheaper, more efficient. The only thing, Milwaukee, fix this please. This chuck, you cannot get tight enough and the wand will fall out every couple of mixes, which is super annoying. But other than that, way better than using gas. So we're gonna mix up a pail, take it up on the scaffold, and lay these bricks. Okay, we're a little short on mortar here, so I'm gonna mix up a little bit more so I can get this sill on. And customer asked if I could patch that crack there. It was wide open, so yeah, almost there. I'm gonna get down here and we're gonna go mix up a little bit of mud. Okay, so there we go. We got one sill in. I still got a caulk it, but I'm gonna wait. I'll caulk them both at the same time, and then we'll get all this scaffold torn down. But yeah, she's a beauty. On to the next. Okay, we got a second one done. This one I only had to take out 2 courses, or 1 course, sorry. The wooden sill was already rotted and it came out really simple. So yeah, there's that one. There's that one. Just gonna caulk them, take the scaffold down, and got a couple more around the corner and 2 more at the front. So yeah, we'll get this done over the next couple of days. And there we go, all in a half day's work. Not even. I think I'm on about 3.5 hours. I already had the scaffold set up yesterday, and yeah, the caulking's done. They look good though. So I got 4 more to do. Now we're gonna take the scaffolding down, and got to set up a little bit more on the other side, and we'll keep going probably tomorrow. I mean, it's Saturday. I'm gonna work tomorrow again and Monday as well. So yeah, we're going all weekend. We got the other side. I would have liked to have been able to show you guys setting it up, but unfortunately I broke the stand today. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to it in the morning. It's late afternoon now, so it's Saturday. I'm gonna be back at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning and finish off the next 2. If they go smooth, I may just do all 4 tomorrow, but not really in a rush. It's the start of the season. So that's it for today, and we'll get back to it in the morning. All right, we're back at it Sunday morning. I've got the aluminum flashing off. Got these 2 to do. I've already done those in November. So just gotta pull out again. It's already loose. Just gotta pull out the bottom row of brick. There's a couple to replace. This one's broken. These are falling apart. And yeah, that one's just got 1 bad brick. So we'll get the sill out and get the brick out and get this job done. There's 1 more done. 1 more to go for today. Yeah, very simple job, not much to it. The brick, I mean, all of this mortar is all weak and everything already, so there's no grinding. It's just wiggle stuff out of place and then lay it back in. Super simple. All right, just gotta clean up the joints, lay the sill, and I got a couple joints around the corner to clean up, so an open wall. So yeah, and then that's that for the day. Okay, so we got both of these windows done now. Boom, boom, caulking done. We're gonna tear the scaffold down and just do a little pointing around the corner, and that's it for the day. So yeah, pretty much that's it for this video. I know I couldn't really get too much footage of actually doing it because I broke the stand, but in the future they will get better, more detailed, and yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.